Today we are discussing the structure of nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. In animal cell, it is situated in the center part of the cell. It is double membrane bound structure. Outer nuclear membrane, that is present the outer layer. Then the inner layer is termed as inner nuclear membrane. So it is double membrane bound structure. Then in between the outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane there is a space. That space is known as perinuclear space. Perinuclear space, that is filled with a fluid, perinuclear fluid. Inner to the inner nuclear membrane, there is one more structure is present, that is known as the nuclear lamina, which is made of fibrillar structure that give mechanical support to the nucleus, and also it helps in cell division. The function of nuclear lamina, it give mechanical support and helps in cell division. Then in the nuclear membrane we can see small openings, and these openings are called nuclear pore that helps in the transportation of substance into the nucleus and out of the nucleus, that is possible through nuclear pore. Then the nucleus contain a fluid content that is known as nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm contains thread-like structure called chromatin reticulum. Then two types of chromatin is present in the chromatin reticulum, that is euchromatin, that is active in transcription, and heterochromatin, that is inactive in transcription. Then another one, spherical structure present in the nucleus, that is known as the nucleolus, that helps in the production of ribosome. Nucleolus that helps in the production of ribosome. Here we can see heterochromatin and euchromatin. So heterochromatin, in this case DNA is tightly bound to protein, so it is condensed form. And it stain deeply. Then in the case of euchromatin, it is loose chromatin structure. DNA is unfolded, so it stain lightly.